Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to 3D filter. So for example, I will create simple object with the blue color. And if you want to create the 3D effect in this object, you can go to filter tools, click on style option, and then we can use the extrude parallel. The next you can set for dips in it, and you can set for the angles at this point. So to be create the 3D filter in this object. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis X tutorial how to 3D filter. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.